Today the situation has deteriorated somewhat. We would be expecting between 29,500 flights today. We think that we will only have about 12 or 13,000 flights able to operate. So effectively we will be losing more than 50% of the normal passenger movements in Europe today. And unfortunately you see that there is still very extensive coverage of northwestern Europe by the volcanic ash cloud. The volcanic ash cloud is extending in some places from ground up as far as 35,000 feet. The volcanic ash cloud is not something that can be observed by the naked eye in most cases, but there are observed minute particles of sand, glass and other debris which could pose a very important safety threat to the operation of civil aircraft. Decisions have been taken by the civil aviation authorities and the air navigation service providers of several of the countries affected to restrict the movement of civil aircraft, and that has been implemented by the EUROCONTROL Central Flow Management Unit by means of what we refer to as air traffic flow management regulations in the airspace and in most of the major European airports. Most of those major European airports are the ones that are covered in the map behind me, stretching from Paris north through the southern part of the United Kingdom, through Scandinavia, going up for east through Finland, down through Poland, Czech Republic, and coming back in a line across towards Paris. The southern part of Europe is for the moment clear, but you may also observe on the chart on the bottom right-hand side behind me that the volcanic ash cloud is anticipated to extend slightly further south and eastward during this night. At the moment we do not have forecasts beyond 600 tomorrow morning, but given the fact that this volcanic ash cloud has been quite stable, moving fairly slowly since it started 48 hours ago, it is reasonable to assume that there will be some significant disruption of European air traffic tomorrow. Some parts of the airspace, for example in Ireland and in the northern part of the United Kingdom and in some parts of Scandinavia, limited access is available to some airports. But when you observe the size of the volcanic ash cloud, you can well imagine that it is very difficult for any significant movements of air traffic in the northern part of Europe to take place.